Developing tonight the expansion of the parental rights law that critics call Don't Say Gay. The State Board of Education voting to ban classroom instruction related to sexual orientation and gender identity all the way through high school. Local 10's Hatzavella is live with what parents and teachers need to know. Hatzel.
Nicole, certainly not a surprise for many in education here in South Florida, but a lot of concerns as to how this is going to affect the classroom, specifically in middle and high school.
Show the amendment approved. Thank you.
The State Board of Education voted to ban lessons on sexual orientation and gender identity from grades 4th through 12th, expanding the law critics call Don't Say Gay.
These decisions should be left at home to the parents to decide when and if their child should be exposed to this material.
The rule is taking us back. It's reinforcing the othering of the LGBT community. And as a parent, what about my parental rights to have my son be able to see his family reflected at school?
It certainly now creates a dilemma for school board members here in Miami-Dade who will have to dissect what this means for teachers.
I think the rules obviously lack some prior ambiguity, and that caused some confusion.
Right now, our students and our teachers, many of them feel attacked, they feel threatened, and they feel excluded.
It was last year when the state legislature passed a law banning sexual orientation and gender identity lessons in kindergarten through 3rd grade, a move that drew intense backlash from people in the LGBTQ community who argue the law is vague for a problem that does not exist.
We're not removing anything here. All we are doing is we are setting the expectations so that our teachers are clear that they are to teach to the standards.
Ask teachers, and they'll tell you differently.
Let's be clear. This legislation will limit free speech and could affect curriculum in English, history, and other classes.
Nobody wants to go in a classroom and purposely teach something inappropriate. And I'm going to make this clear. It is not happening.
And we should tell you that if they break the rule, teachers could be suspended. Their teaching license could also be revoked. For now, reporting live from Miami, I'm Hatzavella, Local 10 News.